Let me show you why this is one of the best little portable torches you can bring camping with you. So here we are camping on Main Beach on Straddie. Now, we normally cook by the car, but everybody's over here right on the edge of the beach. So we want to go over there and be social and cook with them, and we've got a bit of a camp kitchen set up over there, but we will need some light. Now, Woburn have been very kind and sent us the X4. Now, I've actually had this for about 2 months, and I actually really like this little torch. I have tried it, I've tested it, I've used this heaps. Let me show you a little bit about what it does. So this is the Woburn X4. Now, these guys did send us this, full disclosure, about 2 months ago, and I thought, well, torch is a torch, and you know, I do love torches, so I said yes to them. But since I've got it, this thing's actually something I carry with me a lot now. It comes in the camping trip, it sits in the garage, it's always charged. I find myself grabbing this more often than I actually thought I would. Now, let me just run you through a few of the features really quickly. It's got this nice side light, which with the dimmer, everything can dim. Let me go, there's dimmer. Just really good to have as an ambient light somewhere. We used this last night, we were eating a meal on the table right on the beach there, and we set it up on a tray, and it meant we could all see what we were eating. The other thing about this, if we turn it off and we hold it down, I think it'll go into this other mode, flashing lights, if you needed that to work. I've never used that, but I love the ambient light thing. Get onto the main torch. Again, this thing is seriously bright. I'll show you. Again, this will dim and it goes up full bright, and it's very bright. It's seriously bright. The other thing I like about this is on the back of it, it's called the tactical switch. You just press it and it turns on. You double click it twice and it goes on strobe lights, because this thing will also fit onto a bike. If you're a push bike rider, you can put this on your bike, but I just like the tactical on and off really quickly. Now, the other thing that I do like, it's got a magnet. So you can have that on, you're working hands-free. I did have it under the bonnet the other day because I had to do something in the car here on Straddie. Shining down, I was able to fix what I was trying to fix, which was a loose wire in the bonnet. The other thing I like about this, it does have a little clip, so you can clip it onto your hat and it turns into a head torch, or like I did the other night also, I got it on to this mode and I clipped it onto my shirt, and I was able to see what I was eating at the table in the darkness. So this is the Woburn X4. There is a link below that will give you a discount on these. I carry this with me everywhere. It is so handy. It's really nice. It's got a good weight to it. If you're into torches like I am, you need one of these.